Question 2. Calculate the velocities of the electron in the first and the 10th orbits of the hydrogen atom. Since this is hydrogen atom, the atomic number is equal to 1. For the first orbit, value of n will be equal to 1. Velocity का formula होता है 2 pi ze square divided by nh. For the velocity in the first orbit, v1 is equal to 2 pi ze square divided by nh, and this can be written as z by n into 2 pi e square by h. E is the charge on the electron, h is the Planck's constant. 2 pi e square by h को सॉल्व करेंगे तो उसकी वैल्यू आ जाएगी 2.19 into 10 to the power 8 centimeter per second. Now for hydrogen atom, z की वैल्यू है 1. For first orbit, n की वैल्यू है 1. Therefore, velocity in first orbit will be equal to 2 pi e square by h, and this is equal to 2.19 into 10 to the power 8 centimeter per second. अब किसी भी ऑर्बिट में अगर हमें वेलोसिटी निकालनी है, सपोज nth ऑर्बिट, तो Vn will be equal to z by n into 2 pi e square by h. अब 2 pi e square by h की वैल्यू है 2.19 into 10 to the power 8 centimeter per second, और 2 pi e square by h is also equal to v1. So Vn can be written as equal to z divided by n into v1. For hydrogen atom z is equal to 1, और for nth orbit value of n को equal to n मान लेते हैं. So Vn becomes equal to v1 by n, और v1 की वैल्यू पुट कर देंगे तो Vn will be equal to 2.19 into 10 to the power 8 divided by n centimeter per second. So ये general formula है to find the velocity of electron in any orbit. अगर first orbit होगी तो value of n 1 हो जाएगा, second होगी तो value of n हो जाएगा 2, and so on. Now, velocity of electron in the 10th orbit will be equal to, again we will put the formula, V10 is equal to z by n into 2 pi e square by h. Now 2 pi e square by h की वैल्यू हो गई 2.19 into 10 to the power 8. So V10 is equal to z by n into 2.19 into 10 to the power 8. Now value of z is equal to 1 and value of n is equal to 10. So this is equal to 1 by 10 into 2.19 into 10 to the power 8. Solving, the velocity of electron in 10th orbit is equal to 2.19 into 10 to the power 7 centimeter per second. This is the value of h, that is Planck's constant, and this is the value of E, that is the charge on electron.